Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to script YouTube Shorts quickly 2025, a complete workthrough. So guys, you're struggling to come up with scripts for YouTube Shorts. In this video I'll show you a fast system you can use to script shorts quickly so you can post more often and grow faster, thereby attracting more subscribers. All right, so let's get into it. Why script your shorts? Basically, shorts are only 60 seconds max, so every word counts actually. And a script helps you stay concise, grab attention, and in the first 3 seconds, you know, get people hooked on your videos. So it's good to always avoid rambling and keep viewers watching. That's what a script does. That's basically how a script functions. It helps you as a creator, kind of like read through what you're trying to work on and, be clear and concise with what you're doing. All right. So there's kind of like a three-part formula for quick scripting. The first is hook. So you have to start with a bold statement. Let's go ahead and open up our browser and simply log on to ChatGPT. So open up your browser. And with your browser opened up, like I said, you're starting with a bold statement or a surprise. So when you're scripting, you have to enter this into your ChatGPT. You could use ChatGPT for this. You could make use of Jasper or Write Sonic. They help generate hooks and outlines faster. So, like I said, start with a bold statement. Like stop editing videos the slow way. Here's a 30 seconds shortcut. That is a really good hook you can apply to your video at the beginning. And also value, help deliver the tip, the tutorial, or the content. That's basically what a script does. An example would be to open Canva, choose the 1080 by 1920, drop your video and captions, that kind of thing. Now, the tools that can help you to script faster, you could make use of AI tools or templates. So AI tools like ChatGPT, which we just opened up, can be used to write a script. Jasper as well can be used for that purpose. Write Sonic can be used to generate hooks and outlines faster. And, trying to like get your script out there and immediately for use. If you want to work with templates, that script templates, you could make use of Notion or Google Docs to kind of like get a template for a hook. And we also have batch writing, which involves scripting 10 to 15 shorts at once instead of copying them one by one. So that's how you can kind of like get multiple scripts. You can do this using ChatGPT or any of the AI tools I mentioned earlier. So let's say you want to create a script using Google Docs and ChatGPT. How do you go about this? You can just simply find the topic you want to talk about. So let's say you're talking about cars. So now you could ask ChatGPT, hey chat, write me a 60-second script for cars. I run a YouTube channel focused on cars and automobiles. So now once you've given your ChatGPT or any of the other AI tools what you need, they're going to use the generative software that they possess to simply write a script. Now, this script would now be taken and opened in Google Docs. You can apply it to a Google Doc template, or you could strictly just apply it on Google Docs and print it as a PDF and then simply read off that PDF. But seeing as it's a script, you might even use it for your subtitles. So your scripts can be added into your subtitles as well. So, like I said, hey chat, write me a 60-second script for cars. I run a YouTube channel focused on cars and automobiles. So now just simply enter. ChatGPT might ask for further questions like what kind of car you want to talk about or what kind of thing you want to talk about. So make sure you're very concise when it comes to giving it a YouTube script or a script in general to create for you. Make sure you give it all the details you need and try to curate it into what you want. So you can see there's the intro, there's the hook, there are the details, comparison or selling point, and then the outro, all in 60 seconds. And once you're talking about whatever topic or whatever vehicle you have, you kind of like have a default script you can go with. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and copy this. You could just go ahead and copy this. And once you've copied it, you could just open it up in Google Docs. So go ahead and simply search for Google Docs and go open the Google Docs platform. Go ahead and open up a blank document. Once you've opened up the blank document, just go ahead and paste in your script. And you can see here, like I said, intro, hook, details. Now, all you need to do is you could still make use of ChatGPT in this process to kind of like reduce the sentences. What do I mean by reducing the sentences? Basically, making your sentences short and punchy, which would then avoid paragraphs. Try to like make your context short, your content short and straight to the point. 60 seconds is quite a lot of times. You could reduce it to 30 seconds by reducing the amount of languages or dialogue used. All right. So basically, once you're here, all you need to do is just go ahead and save it. So click on File here, click on Save or Download the option. You can now download it as a PDF and simply read from the PDF when you're creating your video or voicing over anything. All right, guys. So that's basically how you can go about this process. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.